this series about innovation, today I'd like to talk to you about imagination, creativity, and innovation. Now, those three words are frequently tossed about interchangeably as if they mean the same thing, but I contend that they don't mean exactly the same thing, and moreover, grasping the difference between the three will give you a common language for not only yourself, but sharing perhaps with your team, the team that's helping you innovate. And this language will help you understand where in the process of innovation you are. All right, let me explain. So imagination is the generation of all ideas. They don't have to be practical or feasible. They're all of the ideas that are possible. Creativity now is the application of those ideas to your field. So if I may, imagination may be all of these possible ideas. And I purposely didn't draw this going all the way across because I contend that in innovation, imagination can be supplemented by all of those other ideas in other fields. See the video, Standing on the Shoulders of Giants, if you're not quite sure what I mean by that. So not only all the ideas that you can generate or your team can generate from whole cloth, but also all those other ideas that have been generated and have even become useful, but from other fields. That gives us the base, the entirety of all the possible ideas that might become something truly innovative. So imagination supplemented. From all of those possible ideas, which ones can actually be applied to your field? So you start with a brainstorming session, and then you see which ones might be applicable. Now that's creativity, the application of a novel idea. It could be novel because it's been generated from whole cloth, or novel because it hasn't been applied to your field before. So the application of these ideas to your field. And then from there, that's where you get the truly innovative ideas, and the difference there is which ideas that are applicable to your field are actually practical, actually solve a problem, actually move the field forward. So we had talked about before about framing the problem, understanding what problem is that you're trying to solve, but also what do you have to work with. So you have a problem, you frame it so you also understand what you have to work with. That's digging down into creativity and even imagination to see what fields might you borrow from, what makes this solution practical in your field. And if it truly solves that problem, well then that's an innovative idea. You can look at this as, in the world of inventions, those famous Rube Goldberg machines. You can dream up of a hamster-powered electrical generation system, right? That's imagination. Is it applicable to your field? Maybe you use that to light a light bulb, or you use that to generate a little bit of heat to boil some water. And if those are in your field, well, that's creativity. But is it practical? Is it really moving your field forward? And if the answer is yes, well, then that idea that was applied to your field is truly innovative.